Today, we embark on a fascinating journey into the mysteries of one of the most intriguing legends of all time, the lost city of Atlantis. Is Atlantis a mere figment of ancient imagination, or did it once flourish only to vanish beneath the waves of the Atlantic Ocean? Join us as we explore the myth, the evidence, and the lingering question of whether Atlantis is fact or fiction. Our journey begins with the philosopher Plato, whose writings in the 4th century BCE form the cornerstone of the Atlantis legend. According to Plato, Atlantis was a powerful and advanced civilization located beyond the Pillars of Heracles, known today as the Strait of Gibraltar. It was a paradise, rich in resources and culture, comprising a series of concentric rings of land and water. However, this idyllic state of being did not last. Driven by greed and hubris, the Atlanteans allegedly attempted to conquer the known world, prompting the wrath of the gods. Consequently, as retribution for their arrogance, Atlantis was said to have been swallowed by the ocean in a single day and night of misfortune. Plato's tale has sparked tremendous curiosity and debate over the centuries. But how much of it is rooted in reality? Some theorists contend that Atlantis is wholly a metaphor crafted by Plato, intended to illustrate his philosophical ideas about morality, society, and divine punishment. Others argue that there may be a kernel of truth beneath the layers of myth. Over the decades, scholars, historians, and archaeologists have attempted to identify Atlantis with various geographic locations, from the islands of Santorini and Crete in the Mediterranean to the Azores, the Caribbean, and even Antarctica. One of the most compelling potential sites is the ancient Minoan civilization on the island of Crete, which flourished over 3,500 years ago. The Minoans were highly advanced, with significant accomplishments in art, architecture, and trade. It's believed that around 1600 BCE, a massive volcanic eruption on the nearby island of Thera, present-day Santorini, led to a series of earthquakes and tsunamis that devastated the Minoan society, possibly inspiring the Atlantis legend. Yet, despite similarities, definitive evidence linking Crete to Atlantis remains elusive. The age of exploration in the 19th and 20th centuries introduced new theories as underwater archaeology gained prominence. In the Bahamas, the discovery of massive underwater rock formations known as the Bimini Road led some to postulate connections to Atlantis. However, scientific examination has suggested that these formations are natural geologic features rather than man-made constructions, casting doubt on such assertions. Meanwhile, modern technology, including satellite imaging and sonar mapping, offers new avenues for seeking a lost city beneath the waves. But despite groundbreaking advances, no tangible proof of Atlantis has emerged. Critics of the Atlantis search suggest that aficionados of the story are drawn more by its mythical aspects than by historical accuracy. They point to the absence of concrete, archaeological evidence and emphasize that imagined places can reveal truths about the civilizations that created them, acting as cautionary tales that echo through time. On the other hand, the enthusiasts endure, buoyed by the notion that a yet undiscovered city may still lie hidden beneath the depths, awaiting discovery. Atlantis, they argue, challenges humanity to question what lies beyond the horizon, both in terms of physical landscapes and the boundaries of possibility itself. As we draw to a close, the enigma of Atlantis endures. Its allure resides in its unfathomable depth, a quixotic blend of legend, speculation, and imagination. Atlantis might never be found or suitably proven as either fact or fiction. However, its narrative blends history and myth, captivating interest from age to age, with the hope that one day its secrets might finally be unveiled. In the end, whether we view Atlantis as a powerful story or a potential reality, it serves as a timeless reminder of the delicate interplay between mankind's ambitions and the forces that shape our world. It is a story that compels us to explore, to discover, and to imagine what could be possible when striving for greatness while treading the fine line between achievement and hubris. And with that, we conclude our exploration of the lost city of Atlantis, where history and myth intertwine, weaving a tapestry as eternal as the mystery itself.